Yes. We'll explain the questions first. Minus 172 plus minus of 40 plus 5 plus minus 425 plus minus of minus of 275 plus 600 minus of minus 15. So Chaitanya and Pawan see that minus into minus plus. Okay now? Chaitanya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And plus into minus minus. Okay now? 64%
Okay.
just to simplify Nana. And 65th question, they gave 305 times. 305 times means 305 is don't take 305 threes. Just to take 5 enough 5. Because 305 is a multiple of 5, no? Okay now? So
Yes,
just
sir.
5 times you take, no? 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 3. You will get answer minus 3. And 66 you will do, 67 you will do. Okay, yeah, only 4 questions I'm giving you now: 64, 65, 66, 67, and time is 5 minutes. Please start doing. After 5 minutes,
sir?
64, 65, 66, 67. Do it now.
Okay.
The questions which are on the board, I'm zooming. I think it's clear for you now. I zoomed it. Completed. Chaitanya?
Yes, sir.
Can you on the camera? Can you show your answers through the camera? I will check it here. Or else you do one thing. Type your answers in the chat box. In the meanwhile, Pawan is doing, no? Type your answers in the chat box. Chaitanya, please type your answers now. Okay, Chaitanya. Pawan is typing the answers. Very good, Pawan. Yeah, no, please type your answers in the chat box. Okay, I'm here only.
Sir, I got 65 option B, sir. Good morning, sir.
Right, Nana Bhavan. And here, who are the students like class 7? Please, you can unmute yourself and you can respond to me. Under name Bhaskar, if you're class 7, please respond to me. If you're doing integer subjective type. Sir,
Okay, sir.
Bhaskar, you are from which school now?
HRD school, sir.
Very good, very good. Pawan and you are the same school.
Yes, sir, friends.
Oh, good, good, good. Yeah, right.
Same class.
Okay, Nana. I am doing 64, 65, 66, 67 on the board now. Please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot.
Okay, sir, I'll take.
And these sums I'm explaining now.
Sir, I am new joining. Please explain from first, sir.
Sure. Last week we just done the concepts, integers concepts. Now today
Okay,
only we
sir.
started objective. Okay. Today
Okay,
only
sir.
IIT questions we are doing. Okay, now don't
Okay,
worry. Right.
Sir, for NEET also we can.
Yeah.
Listen,
IIT
sir.
need both, no? Maths, physics, chemistry, biology. 4
Sir,
subjects will come.
all are IIT and NEET, all are same subjects, sir.
Same only, for all same only.
Okay, sir.
You know? Right.
Sir, please wait 5 minutes. I am noting it.
Yeah, you can take screenshot now.
I took, sir.
No problem. Now I'm explaining the same problems on the board. Okay.
Okay,
But
sir.
I'm explaining on the board. You can understand more easily and clearly. All right. At the end, you have to say how the class is. Right.
Okay, sir.
Right. No. Question 64 and Pawan and Chaitanya, please check it out. The question is like this: minus 172, minus 172 plus minus 40. I will explain very slowly, very clearly. Don't worry. I will come to your level and I will explain.
Sir, you have that. They will ask fees. They will ask fees, no, sir.
Yeah. Fees and all. You have a mobile number. No. Do you
Sir,
have a mobile number? Akshar online classes mobile number. Do you have?
No, sir. Please give.
No, I will provide. No, after 5 minutes, I will provide here. Okay. You can
Okay,
call them
sir.
and you can ask. Okay, now I will provide one number to you. 1 second.
Okay, sir. I will call them.
All right, children, this one you see. First minus 172, like this one you write. And plus into minus is minus. Now minus will come. And here plus 5. Plus into minus, minus 425. Plus into minus, minus 275. Plus 600. Minus into minus, plus 15. Okay, children. Now separate positive and negative terms. I'll separate first positive terms. So I'm rounding off 1, 2, 3. These 3 are positive. Plus 5, plus 600, plus 15. Now I will write negative terms. What are the negative terms here? minus 172, minus 40, minus 475, and minus 275. Let's separate them. Minus 172, minus 40, minus 425, minus 275. Now add these three numbers separately and add these four numbers separately. Okay, I'm adding here 5, 600, 15. You will get 620 and 172. Where is this here? 172, 40, 425, 275, 12, 7s 14, 3 7s are 21, 3, 7, 8, 9, 9, 12. 620 minus 912. Here one number is plus, one number is minus. So that we have to do subtraction. One number is plus, one number is minus. You have to do the subtraction and write the big number symbol. 620 subtract here. You will get 11 minus 2 is 9 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So you get the answer 292 minus 292. Why minus 292? In the sense the big number minus 912 has the minus symbol. Okay, Pavan, Chaitanya, and Bhaskar, did you understand, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pavan, please respond, Pavan. Pavan.
Understood, sir.
Very good. Please take the screenshot. I'm going to the next sum. Please take the screenshot. I'm going to the next sum. Okay, now? Right.
I took, sir.
Very good. Very good. Pavan, 65th answer, he got confused. Just see, Nana. So 305 times. 305 times. So generally 300 times. 300 times means 1 plus 1 minus, 1 plus 1 minus. Exactly how many plus will come, that many minus will come. So we'll go off. 300 means 0 come. But more 5s are there, no? Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. All this will go. Minus only remain. Answer is minus 3, no, Pavan. Okay, now? Pavan.
Sir, correct, sir.
Very good, very good.
Both
Chaitanya, okay.
answers.
Pavan confused. Just check, no, Pavan.
Sir, I also put minus 3 only, sir, answer.
Very good, Bhaskar. And 66th question. Like this there. So don't confuse, do slowly. First multiply these two numbers, minus 30 will come, and 5 3s are 15, and minus into minus plus 14. So minus 30, 15 plus 14, 29. So you will get anywhere, minus 30 divided by, yes, minus 30 divided by 29. Okay, now I think here option is not given, Nana. This is the answer. Okay. If you follow BODMAS, let us see BODMAS. First bracket we simplified here. Okay, bracket answer. Next off not there. Division. So division you do. Next multiplication. BODMAS rule we will apply. Let us check. 3 of minus 10 is there, no? This is called off only. 3 bracket means. So this is correct only. Yep, Chaitanya, you're saying something. Chaitanya, are you saying something?
I wasn't saying anything.
Somebody. Pavan, you?
Sir,
Hmm.
I understood this question, but I didn't understood 65th question, sir.
I'll go back. Don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, once again, I'll explain, Pavan. Okay, I will explain again. Don't worry.
Okay.
See here.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir.
Okay, no problem. First 65, once again, I will explain. Chaitanya's Pavan see, no? Plus 3, minus 3, 3, minus 3. Like this, how many times are there? 305 times there, Pawan. 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3. How many times are there? 305 times there.
305.
305 times. First I will take 100 times. 100 times I will take. Next 100 times I will take. Next 100 times I will take. 100 times means like this only come, no? Two numbers like this only come, no? Plus and minus equally come or not, Pawan?
Yes, sir, it will come.
Plus and minus equally come means what you will get here?
0.
And again 100 what you will get?
Again also 0.
So 300 you will get 0 only. But more 5 there, no? More 5.
Yes, sir.
More 5 3s I am writing, plus and minus. Three minus 3, 3 minus 3, 3 minus. Oh, yeah. Now this 3 minus 3 cancel, this 3 minus 3 cancel. Now what do you get here?
3 only, sir.
3 is the answer. Before we did minus 3, huh?
Yes, sir. That is.
Yes, sir, we did.
Now this is 3, no, 3 answer. Because minus after plus repeats, no? 3, no. Okay?
Okay, sir, I understood.
And Sai is asking another question. Wait, I will open. Yeah.
66th question, sir.
Bhaskar, see now this question. 3 tens are how much? Minus 30. 5 3s
Yes.
are 15. 7 2s are 14. 15 plus 14, how much more?
Sir, 29.
Yeah. Minus 30 divided by 29. That is the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, Bhaskar, you asked a number, no? To contact office number. Your
Yes, sir.
marketing team will be talking to you. 799 58 20 217. You just ask Akshar IIT. Okay.
Sir, I want to NEET, sir.
Both are same.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah. I need
show me also, sir.
IIT, same courses, not separate. After going to intermediate, you are separate, no. Okay, na?
Sir, I know that, sir, but
Hmm.
for NEET one number, for IIT one number, they will keep. That's why I asked it.
No, not like that. You can talk to this number. They will say fees and all, and they will say timings and everything. Okay, na? And I'm typing the.
They will say.
I will type the number in the chat box. Please check.
Sir, in timing, they will keep link, sir.
Hmm. 1 minute, no. 76 70 91 04 22. So you can contact any of the number and you can clarify your doubts and all. Okay, there is no separate course or no separate fees for IIT NEET like that. It's like a pack. So you have to utilize Nana. Okay, no? Right.
Okay.
Now let's go for the next question. I'll open the page now. Yeah. Now what I do, I'm giving the questions based on this. Yeah, this site is not opening. I'm writing the question on the board. 67, I didn't explain, no children. 67, I did not explain, no, Pawan?
No, sir, you didn't.
Sir,
Yeah.
66 only you explained, sir. You didn't explain 67.
Yes, 67, let us see now. Once check the question, Anna, 67th question. 10 of minus 1, minus of minus 2, minus 3 by 2 of minus 8 divided by minus 2, minus 2. Okay, no? I'll open the board. Right, I'm writing the question on the board. 10 of minus 1 minus of minus 2 of minus 3. Pawan, you got two IDs here? Pawan,
What, sir?
with your name, I got two IDs, Nana. You joined from two devices.
No, sir.
Who is this another Pawan? Okay, leave it. I will give the hint. Please try, children. Okay. First, what you have to do? First, you multiply these two numbers. Next, multiply these two numbers. Next, add these two numbers and divide with minus 8. And then multiply with 2. Anyone tried? No, this sum answer? Chaitanya, you got the answer for this?
No, sir. I was still trying.
Okay, Nani, please try. I'll be waiting here. No problem. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Please do it and respond to the chat box. Right, I will explain. Don't worry, Chaitanya. Pawan and yeah, right. Let us check the answer. First, we will take numerator. I will simplify now. First numerator. 10 into minus 1 is minus 10 minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 children by 2 bracket minus 8 divided by minus 2 minus 4. This is addition and this is multiplication. Okay. In addition, we have to take the minus symbol. In multiplication, we have to take the plus symbol. That is the difference. Hope you understand. And denominator, okay. Next, minus 10 minus into plus minus 6 by 2 minus 8 divided by minus 4. You will write like this. Okay, now minus 10 minus 6, I have to add. I should write minus 16. And this minus and minus cancels. And 4 in 8 2 times. Now 2 of 2. 2 2s are 4. Again 4 in 16 4 times. Minus 4 is the answer. Okay, Nana? Understood, Chaitanya? Chaitanya.
Got it, sir.
Please check once again. We will get little confusion, Nana, here, because all this minus plus integers only makes us confused. If you come to 10th class also, you'll get confusion like this only. The chart itself like that.
26 answer.
Okay. Please check again. Take the screenshot, and I'm giving some homework sums to you because we have to end up the class within 5 minutes. Okay, now. Hope you take the screenshot. I'm giving some homework sums. Please check it out. In general, I'm giving this simplification only. First question. Second question. Is 15. Third question. Yeah, Pawan. These are homework sums.
Math class is there, sir.
Actually, tomorrow, Diwali. You don't want to celebrate Diwali?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow, no classes. Tomorrow, no classes. Enjoy the festival.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? But
Any
be safe.
classes not yet, sir?
No
Advance
classes.
happy Diwali, sir.
Same to you, and wish you the same. Be safe. Be safe. Okay.
Happy
Okay,
Diwali,
sir.
sir.
Happy Diwali,
Happy
sir.
Diwali. Please take the screenshot, children. This is
Sir,
homework. You
I
have to-
noted it.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
noted in my notebook, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Sir, only 3 problems, sir.
Only three, because you have many works, no? So that.
Sir, please
Yes,
give
sir, no.
only
Only
2
three.
problems.
First day only, I'm giving 3 sums. Don't worry, I will give you many sums. First day, I'm giving you less. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
But coming days, I will give you more because tomorrow is a festival. Be happy. Okay, bye-bye. Take care. And
Sir,
next
on Thursday, which class will be, sir?
Friday, not Thursday. Friday, you have classes on, I think Friday you don't have IIT classes, no? Again, Saturday you have. Friday is break for you.
For NEET.
NEET, IIT, same Bhaskar. Okay, now. So again, Saturday we have maths class, maths and physics there. Now you have chemistry class, Nana, chemistry class within 5 minutes. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
Bye, take care.
Bye, sir.